As India gears up to celebrate its 78th Independence Day, the Kora Khadi Gramodyog Kendra in Borivali is as busy as ever. Established in 1957, Kora Khadi Gramodyog Kendra has a long history of exclusively producing flags made of khadi. Although the Kendra once had its own flag making unit, it now outsources the manufacturing process. Government offices across Maharashtra procure their flags from Kora Kendra. The most commonly purchased sizes are 8 feet by 12 feet and 6 feet by 12 feet, as these offices require flags year round. Annually, approximately 2,000 to 3,000 flags in the 2 feet by 3 feet and 3 feet by 4.5 feet sizes are sold. The largest flag produced, measuring 14 feet by 21 feet, proudly flies at Raigad Fort. Meanwhile, the smallest flag, measuring 2 feet by 3 feet, is primarily purchased by residential societies for display on their buildings. In addition to Kora Khadi Gramodyog Kendra, the Flag Corporation has emerged as the largest manufacturer and exporter of premium quality flags and flag accessories in India. With specially crafted fabrics, the Flag Corporation not only produces national flags but also customizes company logo flags, sports flags, and advertising banners. The Flag Corporation is helmed by Gyan Shah, who started the business in 1996.
We've started because there was nobody in India who were making flags, quality flags. That's how it started the business. And ever since then, I mean, in initial years, it was more like a recreational business because there wasn't much awareness for flags in India. But lately, over the years, the awareness for flags to display our flags with pride has increased quite a bit.
Today, the corporation boasts a vast clientele, including major names like Larsen and Toubro Limited, BCCI, Dharma Productions Private Limited, SR Group, ISRO, Akka Group, and many more.